Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. I have been indulging in a bit of nostalgia these past few days. In these sort of fast-paced times, it's fantastic. Communication is instantaneous. You have FaceTime, you have Google Talk or whatever, Zoom, etc., texting, WhatsApp, all of that. But the charm that handwritten letters have is something that's indescribable. I really miss receiving handwritten letters. I used to wait when I was in college in hostel. I used to wait for letters from home or from other friends, and my then boyfriend but now husband, who wrote absolutely poetic letters to me. I still have them. I liked writing letters too, like funny or news-filled or whatever, or sometimes angsty. You know how teenagers are. We're all angsty people at the time. This sort of thing, right? And that sort of got me thinking about letters in movies and songs based on these letters, or letter writing, or receiving a letter, or sending a letter, whatever. Mainly love letters, but still. So for the first song today, I have a song from the movie called Dard. It was an A.R. Kardar movie. His brother Nusrat was the lead, and you had Munawar Sultana and Suraya ji were the female leads. It's sort of a love triangle kind of situation. Naushad Saab, Shakil Saab, music duo here. Apparently, it was very unexpected, but the movie and the music were both huge hits. Baburao Patel, who was a film critic at the time, dissed both the movie and the music hugely, and yet both were massive hits. It's funny, how one man's poison can be the panacea to the entire country. This movie had, I thought, kind of nice songs, mildly classically based, but still pleasant. For that era, it belongs to a particular era, this kind of music. It's a little slow, maybe a little heavy. The song that I want to share is a solo by Uma Devi, who was more popularly known as Tuntun. Naushad Saab actually encouraged her singing greatly, and he discovered her really. The song is picturized on Munawar Sultana writing the letter. From Dard, अफसाना लिख रही हूँ दिले बेकरार का.
अफसाना लिख रही हूँ, अफसाना लिख रही हूँ दिले बेकरार का. आँखों में रंगों भर के तेरे इंतजार का. अफसाना लिख रही हूँ. जब तू नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं है बहार में, नहीं है बहार में. जब तू नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं है बहार में, नहीं है बहार में. जी चाहता है मुँह भी, जी चाहता है मुँह भी ना देखूं बहार का. आँखों में रंगों भर के तेरे इंतजार का.
Ardhangini, this was a Meena Kumari Rajkumar movie. The story was about, the foolishness of superstition, and paradoxically emphasized religious beliefs is a good thing. I don't know, it was sort of a confusing kind of movie. I wasn't that impressed by it, shall we say. Meena Kumari was fantastic in it. She's charming, she's ebullient, sad when needed. She basically carries the movie on her shoulders. And this song, she has just received a letter from her husband and she's so happy. She does such a good job expressing that joy. She's, delicately skipping around the yard singing this song. The music was by Vasant Desai with Majroo Saab writing the lyrics. From Ardhangini, तेरा खत लेके सनम आज कहीं पाँव रखते हैं हम.
तेरा खत लेके सनम पाँव कहीं रखते हैं हम हो, कहीं पढ़ते हैं कदम, कहीं पढ़ते हैं कदम। तेरा खत लेके सनम पाँव कहीं रखते हैं हम हो, कहीं पढ़ते हैं कदम, कहीं पढ़ते हैं कदम। राज जो इसमें छुपा है वो समझता है दिल, राज जो इसमें छुपा है वो समझता है दिल। कैसे खोले तेरा खत हमने धड़कता है दिल, ये दिल ठहरे जरा, नजर ठहरे जरा, होश में आए जरा हम। तेरा खत लेके सनम पाँव कहीं रखते हैं हम हो, कहीं पढ़ते हैं कदम, कहीं पढ़ते हैं कदम।
Babar. This movie came out in 1960. It starred Gajanan Jagirdar as Humayun and Azra as Hamida, had Shubha Khote, Randhir, whole host of people in supporting roles. Oddly enough, despite the name, the movie is not really about Babar's love story as much as how Babur was a fair emperor and did not exclude his own son from meting out justice to his son because he broke the law. He falls in love with the daughter of a poet, and it causes a bunch of issues, and somehow he ends up breaking the law. That's the story of this particular movie. I don't know really in reality what actually happened where Humayun married Hamida, but that's another whole issue altogether. These are the movies. This song has Humayun reading the letter, but you hear Sudha Malhotra's voice. It's as if Hamida is singing this letter to him. In Sudha Malhotra's voice from Babur, Payame Mohabbat.
पसंद नहीं, ये दिल लगी ये शरारत हमें पसंद नहीं। बजा नहीं था ये इज़हार बेकरारी का, लिहाज कुछ तो किया होता पर्दादारी का। हयात इतनी जवाबत हमें पसंद नहीं, इश्क मोहब्बत हमें पसंद नहीं।
Sangam, the uber hit of that year, 1964. It, however, has quite a harrowing history behind it. Inder Raj Anand wrote the story for Raj Kapoor in the late 40s. Raj Kapoor wanted himself, Dilip Kumar and Nargis to act in it. Dilip Kumar liked the script. He was willing to play either of the male leads, but he said he wanted the last word when the final edits happened. Raj Kapoor was not willing to give up that nonsense, so he decided he will cast Dev Anand instead. Unfortunately for him, Dev Anand was so popular at the time and working crazy shifts, he could not commit to any dates. So the years rolled on, Raj Kapoor and Nargis broke up. Finally, he met Rajendra Kumar and decided he was going to make the movie with him and Vaijayantimala as the female lead. When Sangam was released, it was the highest grossing movie of that year and it was the second highest grossing movie of the entire decade. So that's how popular it was. Story, of course, love triangle. Two friends sacrificing their love for the friendship, and no one cares about the woman and her opinion in all of this. And in this whole sacrificing love fest, there is a love letter that causes everything to come to a head and kind of finish up this mess. The said love letter comes with a very beautiful song sung by Rafi Saab, oh so sweetly. Shankar Jaikishan's music with Shailendra Ji, Hasrat Jaipuri writing the lyrics. This particular one was Hasrat Jaipuri. From Sangam, Ye Mera Prem Patra Padhkar.
ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र पढ़कर कि तुम नाराज ना होना, कि तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो, कि तुम मेरी बंदगी हो। ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र पढ़कर कि तुम नाराज ना होना, कि तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो, कि तुम मेरी बंदगी हो। तुझे मैं चांद कहता था, मगर उसमें भी दाग है। तुझे मैं चांद कहता था, मगर उसमें भी दाग है। तुझे सूरज मैं कहता था, मगर उसमें भी आग है। तुझे इतना ही कहता हूँ कि मुझको तुमसे प्यार है, तुमसे प्यार है, तुमसे प्यार है। ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र पढ़कर कि तुम नाराज ना होना, कि तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो, कि तुम मेरी बंदगी हो।
Saraswati Chandra. This came out in the late 60s. It starred Nutan and Manish in the lead. It was based on a Gujarati novel by the same name by Govardhan Ram Madhav Ram Tripathi. A very tragic story. This young couple who are engaged to be married, unfortunately due to misunderstandings, the engagement breaks off. She is then married off to a very wealthy man who is a complete debauch. Her life just takes a very sad turn at that point. She's thrown out of her house, and then, she becomes like an ascetic. In the end, the man she loves, her former fiancé, marries her sister, and she continues to lead the life of her husband dies, so she's a widow now, and she just gives herself up to God, more or less. The music for the movie was by Kalyanji Anandji, with Indivar Saab writing the lyrics. So beautiful, beautiful music. So the song I want to play for you today is actually when the couple are kind of romancing each other, and it's a very, very sweet song. They're exchanging letters. From Saraswati Chandra, फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है।
फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है। फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है। प्रियतम मुझको लिखना, क्या ये तुम्हारे काबिल है।
प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती। प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती। चूम ही लेता हाथ तुम्हारा, पास जो तुम मेरे होती।
फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में। नींद तुम्हें तो आती होगी, क्या देखा तुमने सपना। नींद तुम्हें तो आती होगी, क्या देखा तुमने सपना।
आँख खुली तो तन्हाई थी, सपना हो न सका अपना।
तन्हाई हम दूर करेंगे, ले आओ तुम शहनाई, ले आओ तुम शहनाई।
प्रीत बढ़ाकर भूल न जाना, प्रीत तुम्ही ने सिखलाई।
फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है, फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में।
Arth, which came out in the 80s, was a Mahesh Bhatt movie. It was partly autobiographical. He claims it's the story of the brief affair that he had with actor Parveen Babi. It was an outstanding movie, it was a huge hit. Shabana Azmi is the abandoned wife, and Kulbhushan Kharbanda is the cheating husband. And Smita Patil is absolutely outstanding as the rather unstable other woman. She's a paranoid schizophrenic. Raj Kiran has a fairly significant role as this young man who falls in love with Shabana Azmi. He's her friend, and the interesting part is that she continues to be independent and does not, as per the usual Indian movie, decides to latch on to another man. She wants to keep her own independence, shall we say. The music for the movie was by Jagjit Singh. There were 3 poets actually who share lyrical honors. Rajendranath Rehbar, who wrote this particular nazm or poem, it's just such an exquisite composition. You know, you can feel the sorrow, the love, the depth of love that this person has, and how they cannot destroy a letter from their beloved. So I want to read out some of the lyrics to you. So from Arth, तेरी खुशबू में बसे खत मैं जलाता कैसे. How do I burn a letter that is doused with your perfume. प्यार में डूबे हुए खत मैं जलाता कैसे. How can I burn a letter that has been drowning in your love? तेरे हाथों के लिखे खत मैं जलाता कैसे. How can I burn a letter that has been written by your hand that I love so much? तेरे खत आज मैं गंगा में बहा आया हूँ. So he doesn't burn it, he drowns it more or less, or I guess releases it in the river Ganga. आग बहते हुए पानी में लगा आया हूँ. He says, I have lit a fire and released it into this running water. That's such beautiful picturization. So from Arth, तेरी खुशबू में बसे खत में जलाता कैसे.
तेरे खुशबू में बसे खत मैं जलाता कैसे. प्यार में डूबे हुए खत मैं जलाता कैसे. तेरे हाथों के लिखे खत में जलाता कैसे। जिनको दुनिया की निगाहों से छुपाए रखा, जिनको एक उम्र कलेजे से लगाए रखा, दीन जिनको जिन्हें ईमान बनाए रखा, तेरे खुशबू में बसे खत मैं जलाता कैसे। जिनका हर लफ्ज मुझे याद था पानी की तरह, याद थे मुझको जो पैगाम जुबानी की तरह, मुझको प्यारे थे जो अनमोल निशानी की तरह।
Kanyadan, a Shashi Kapoor Asha Parekh starrer, was actually a very good movie. I mean, I'm not saying it's good in the level or sense of Earth or one of those kinds of movies. It was based on, showing people the ills or what an awful thing child marriage is. Everyone has acted very well and they've actually executed the story really well. Music was Shankar Jaikishan with both Hasrat Jaipuri and Neeraj Saab writing the lyrics. So this particular song was written by Neeraj Saab. Shashi Kapoor singing it oh so sweetly and passionately on screen to Asha Parekh. From Kanyadan in Rafi Saab's gorgeous voice. लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए।
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे। कोई नगमा कहीं गूंजा, कहा दिल ने ये तू आई। कहीं चटकी कली कोई, मैं ये समझा तू शर्माई। कोई खुशबू कहीं बिखरी, लगा ये जुल्फ लहराई। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे।
Border, which came out in 1997, was a dream project for J.P. Datta. He took a lot of time to craft all the details of this movie before actually directing it. Really well made. It was based on the Indo-Pak War of 1971. Specifically, the Battle of Longewala, which took place in the desert by the Rajasthan border. This movie, actually, it was beautifully made. Very sensitive, very touching, definitely, gets your patriotic passions up and running kind of a thing. Amazingly star-studded cast. Of course, it was a very male-dominated movie because it was about the war. You had Sunny Deol, Sunil Shetty, Jackie Shroff, Kulbhushan Kharbanda, Akshay Khanna. Oh my God, hugely star-studded cast. The women, though a minor role, you still had Rakhi, you had Pooja Bhatt, you had Tabu. It was quite a glorious kind of a cast. The music was by Anu Malik, with Javed Akhtar Saab writing all the lyrics. And this song is when the soldiers all receive letters from home. So they're all singing, and the main voices are Roop Kumar Rathod with Sonu Nigam, and then there's a whole chorus. It's one of my favorite songs actually. From Border, Sandese Aate Hain.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है किसी दिलवाली ने किसी मतवाली ने हमें खत लिखा है ये हमसे पूछा है किसी की सांसों ने किसी की धड़कन ने किसी की चूड़ी ने किसी के कंगन ने किसी के गजरे ने किसी के गजरे ने महकती सुबहों ने मचलती शामों ने अकेली रातों ने अधूरी बातों ने तरसती बाहों ने और पूछा है तरसी निगाहों ने कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे तुम बिन ये दिल सूना सूना है संदेशे आते
That's it for today, folks. I hope you all enjoyed it. Send me your chitti wala songs, patra songs, whatever. I didn't pick very obvious ones because I wanted to, throw in some more unusual ones like the one from Babar and, Dard and so on. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who haven't, please go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and spread the word among all your friends and family as well. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.